welcome to another product review with Beads Jar. I'm Natalia, and today I want to show you some fantastic ideas for Christmas gift bags. Now we know you're going to be making lots of beautiful handmade creations and you'll be gifting those this Christmas. And you'll want to make sure you've got the perfect way of ensuring your gift is presented just as beautifully as its contents. So let me show you some of our lovely gift bags. This first one that I'm going to present to you is a red jewellery pouch. Now this is a velvet and it has ribbon drawstrings and it is very luxurious. So whoever gets something that is contained in this is really getting the wow factor. You can create elegant gifts for your loved ones and friends using this beautiful pouch, or if you do craft fairs, this is the perfect way to present your jewellery. This little bag measures 9 centimetres tall by 7 centimetres across. The next piece that we have is this mini red Santa gift bag. Isn't it so cute? And it features Santa with his little Rudolph and reindeer friends, his bag of all of these beautiful treats, little robin on top of his head there, and some lovely festive bells. So that's on one side, and on the other he's just waving at you. So it's beautiful. And this, it comes flat packed, and it has a little Velcro fastening on there with a red ribbon, and there's plenty of space inside for you to be able to put all kinds of goodies inside it. Now they come in a pack of 1 each, and the size of them is 10 centimetres tall by 7 centimetres across and 4 centimetres at the bottom. Next we have our mid-sized tote bag with this open handle design and in a beautiful festive pink, this lovely citrine colour, more of a violet colour, and then this gorgeous purple. And all these stars, beautiful graphics of the snowman, that lovely Santa's boot there, some baubles, and then Santa with his toys and all of the gifts there. It has the same design on the back. It comes flat packed and it has this lovely purple ribbon there at the top, Velcro fastening for you to be able to pop everything that you need inside there. Let me just give you the dimensions of this. Easy to set up, it comes flat packed. It is 16 centimetres by 12 centimetres across, and then we have 6 centimetre width at the bottom. And then finally we've got the larger size. So this is a wonderful, good sized tote bag where you could get lots of things in here, or larger sized pieces into it. It features all these lovely characters. So we've got a penguin, we've got Santa Claus there, we've got a festive snowman, Santa's boot, and good old Rudolph, and a candy cane and little sweeties and baubles thrown in for good measure. This is really bright and vibrant. I hope that the camera's doing it justice. The colours really pop on it. It has a matte finish, and just as the others, it has this little red ribbon at the top and this handy Velcro fastening which enables you to easily open and close. It comes flat packed, so it just pops open. And look at the designs down the side of it. We've got these cute snowmen and a man and woman couple, should I say, with balloons and lovely little gifts and a little stocking there. That's on both sides. And the size of this is 27 centimetres tall, 18 centimetres wide, and then 8 centimetres across at the bottom. And it's freestanding. So these could also be used as a way of presenting if you're doing craft fairs, just as a nice festive touch to your table to really draw in your customers towards you. So I hope you'll agree we've got beautiful packaging for every occasion and every type of jewellery or handmade creation that you need to gift this Christmas. So I hope you'll enjoy shopping and treating yourself to some of these lovely Christmas gift bags. Bye for now.